Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So in today's video, I'm going to be discussing on the steps you need to take to start a career as a data analyst. It might interest you to know that these steps can also be applied when starting a career in any other tech field. I have carefully come up with 8 steps for you to take to kickstart your data analysis journey. Number 1. The first step is to learn the essential data analysis skills. Now, when you hear this, the first thing that comes to mind is to learn Microsoft Excel, SQL, Power BI, or Tableau. But in this case, I'm talking about communication skills. These are the basic skills you need in any career path that you are into. And data analysis is no different. You need communication skills as a data analyst, whether verbal or written. Next is the presentation skills. No doubt that as a data analyst, there will definitely be presentations here and there. You must present your analysis to stakeholders. So you must have good presentation skills as well. Next is problem solving skills. This is your key role, your primary role as a data analyst, is to collect data, clean data, and remove usable insights from a data and make a data useful. So you must learn to solve problems as a data analyst. Finally, we have the critical thinking skills. There's no way you can solve any problem without thinking critically. From analyzing your data to visualizing your data, it all requires critical thinking. Number 2 is to practice and master the tools that are required to analyze data. Now, there are essential tools that are used to analyze data. As a data analyst, it is required for you to practice and master them. And these tools might vary depending on your job or industry. Depending on the job or industry you find yourself. But there are basic tools you need to learn and master to become a data analyst. I usually advise one to start with the basics, which is Microsoft Excel. Then you can go into a visualization tool like Power BI or Tableau. And it is a must to at least learn a database management tool, SQL or MySQL tool. To spice up your portfolio, you can decide to try adding Python or R language. Next is to build a portfolio of projects showcasing your skills. In any tech field, your portfolio is just as important as your resume because it showcases your skills and knowledge. The employers are more interested to know your skill level, so they can only get that by viewing your portfolio. This is why it's important to spend time and build a solid portfolio. Next is to endeavor to have a mentor. This is very important. A mentor is like a guardian or a motivator, an experienced advisor, someone who is there to motivate you. So having a mentor after acquiring your skills is important to keep you pushing and to keep you guided. Next, we have certifications. Getting certified. Certifications validates your skills and knowledge in tech, so it makes you stand out in a way and by giving you competitive edge over your peers. However, in tech, certifications might not completely prove that you are perfect for the job, or you might not eventually need it to prove your skill set. It is advised to get certified if you have time and money for that. Next is to join a community of like minds. It's important to join a community of data analysts or any tech field of your choice. This helps you to network with people who share the same mindset, the same interests as you. It expands your connection and could lead to new career prospects or collaboration in the future. Next is to create content on data analysis skill set. This is very important, and you need your social media to do this. It's like broadcasting to the world that you are a data analyst by showcasing your skill sets or projects. It's by showing the world in real time what you are up to based on your career. So this is very useful because you can get a full-time, part-time, or even contract just by showing the world what you do. Remember, employers cannot find you until you show yourself. So when you show yourself, they see what you put out there on your social media, and based on that, they could reach out to you. We have various social media for this. You have LinkedIn, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. So I'd advise you use any of these social media platforms to showcase your skills. Finally, you can start applying for jobs. I would advise you start with entry level or internship level. You could even start with unpaid internship in order to get you acquainted with the industry knowledge of your field. So guys, if you enjoyed this video and you like this content and you want more content on data analysis, kindly subscribe, leave a comment down below, and then like and share this video. I promise to be sharing more content on this. Thank you, bye, and see you next time.